Hello, today we are going to sew Princess Elsa's night dress. For this dress, I used a thin knitted fabric made from 100% cotton. I designed the ornament on the dress in a special program and printed it on transfer paper. It is not at all difficult to sew such a dress. A link to a Viroku and to a file with an ornament in the description under the video. For the dress we need one piece at the back with a fold, one lower front part with a fold, two upper front parts, two sleeves and two cuffs, two collar pieces and two closure pieces, cut one collar part and one fastener part from the hot melt fabric. Cut the fastener part into equal parts in the middle. Reinforce the collar and halves of the fasteners with hot melt adhesive cloth. Fold collar details face to face and sew along top edge. Make cuts. Turn out and iron. Stitch off the top edge. Let's do the fastener. The edge of the fastener that is glued with a hot melt adhesive cloth must be overcast with an overlock. And sew to the details in front of the edge that is not glued. Now the details of the fastener need to be ironed exactly along the middle line. Fold back and front details face to face and sew shoulder seams. Mark the middle of the neckline of the back. Middle collar mark. And middle marks of fasteners. Align the middle of the collar with the middle of the neckline of the back. Align the collar edges with the middle of the fasteners. Fold the fastener along the iron line, wrong side up. The ends of the collar will be between the halves of the fastener. Sew on the collar. Stitch off the fastener. Fold the parts of the fastener and make a securing seam. To make an ornament on the lower part of the front, we will need inkjet transferred paper. The ornament you will find in a separate file attached to the pattern. The ornament needs to be printed on an inkjet printer using transfer paper. Cut picture. The lower part of the front should be laid out on a clean cotton fabric, folded several times. There should not be any irregularities. Put the paper on top with the ornament down and iron it with the hottest iron possible without steam for about 1 minute. The properties of the transfer paper may vary depending on the type and manufacturer. It would be best to study the instructions. After cooling down, remove the top layer of paper. Sew on a cotton tape of the desired length, 1 cm from the bottom edge. Now the received part needs to be sewn into place. Sew on the sleeves matching the shoulder mark and the front mark. Sew side seams. Sew cuffs into a ring and sew the sleeves. Cut out the skirt, sew the back seam and hem the bottom. On the top of the skirt, lay a seam with the maximum stitch length, and pull it to the size of the bodice. Mark the middle on the back. Turn the skirt to the wrong side. Fold the skirt and bodice face to face. Combine the back seam of the skirt and the middle of the back of the bodice. Sew a skirt to the bodice. Form a bow from a piece of tape 8 centimeters. Make strings from a piece of 30 centimeters long. Sew a bow in the center. It remains only to install the button.